and welcome. I'm Ben. I'm a finance professor. Today we're talking about Walmart 2023 Q1 earnings. 2023 sounds like it's a mistake, but Walmart's fiscal year ends at the end of January, not the end of December. So they're in FY 2023 right now. We talk about Walmart because they missed earnings a significant amount. Their stock was down 20% the week they made this earnings announcement, so we talk about it. Walmart's the 21st largest firm in terms of market cap at $328 billion. Relative to the prior year, Walmart's revenue grew by 3%, but its earnings fell by 23%. Relative to what Wall Street expected, revenues were 3% higher, but earnings were 12% lower. Walmart has three main segments. It has domestic Walmart stores, international Walmart stores, and then Sam's Club. In Q1 2023, the domestic portion is responsible for 70% of the firm's revenues, and the other two segments, international and Sam's Club, split the remainder of revenue fairly evenly. As far as profits go, 77% of profits are from the domestic segment, 13% are from the international segment, and 9% are from Sam's Club. If we look at Walmart's profit margins, we can see they're very low compared to other firms, between 4.5% and 2.5%. Now we look at how each of those segments did in this quarter. So in the domestic segment, revenue was up 4%, but earnings were down 18% relative to a year ago, relative to the same quarter a year ago. International had the worst performance. Revenues were down 13% and profits were down 35%. Sam's Club was probably the best performer. Revenue grew by 17%, but profits fell by 20%. Other things to note, e-commerce, which has been growing at 50% per year since 2018, only grew 1% this quarter. Also, food costs were up 10% in April 2022 relative to April 2021. So Walmart's profits are down in large part because food costs are way up. We know CPI has been way up this year as well. Walmart returned $4 billion to shareholders this quarter, $2 billion through repurchases and $2 billion in dividends. Walmart's forward PE is currently 18. Over the previous 4 quarters, the average was 23, so the PE is significantly lower. Finally, Walmart gave Q2 2022 guidance. It expects revenues to be 5% higher and earnings to be the same. So no earnings growth and 5% revenue growth. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any suggestions about how to change the format of these, please put those in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next